Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make chaka. First thing, you have to wash the corn, and you need this one. It's really thick. You're gonna add the corn to the boiling water. You need a lot of water. And we're just gonna let it boil. It'll take about 2 or 3 hours to make a really good chaka. Like I said, make sure you wash the corn very well until the water is clear. As you can see, it's almost cooked. Maybe another half hour. It's been cooking for an hour so far. I just added some pinto beans. Make sure when it's almost cooked, when the corn is almost cooked, you're gonna add some pinto beans. Some people use kidney beans, other kind of beans, but I'm using pinto beans. And you just let it cook. At this point, it's almost ready. I added some goat meat, coconut, and some parsley and scotch bonnet pepper. When you're eating chaka, you need a nice bowl of it. So because this one is really good, and this is all for me. It's a lot. It's delicious. It's well made, homemade with love.